Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So how's everyone doing? So I'm just going to make a quick little video. First of all, I want to wish everybody a happy Mother's Day, to all the mothers, grandmothers, godmothers, mothers of fur babies, any type of mothers that there are. I sincerely wish you all a very, very happy Mother's Day, from me to you. And now I want to tell everybody also about my I'm having an event this week. I probably should have told you sooner, I guess, but it's called HatODay by Bagoday. So every day starting May 11th through May 17th, I'll be doing one crochet hat tutorial every day. Now I'm doing this to get taking it upon myself to do it for Lion Brand's Hat Not Hate project that they have against anti-bullying. I want to show my support because I am totally against bullying. I really cannot stand it at all, whether it be children or adults. It's extremely uncalled for. So they do have an anti-bullying campaign where, if you don't know too much about it, I won't go into depth. I will leave a link below in the description box to their website that'll tell you more about it. But they're trying to, this year they have a goal of 100,000 hats is what they want to get. Well, I want to try to help them in any way that I can. I kind of been trying to share posts on, Instagram and Facebook, and so I thought I would do a crochet along event that lasts an entire week, where I'm going to do a new crochet design each day, a tutorial in blue yarn to send to them when I'm done. I made a pledge to Lion Brand that I would donate, or not really, I would make and send 30 hats to do my part. Now, of course, the hats that I crochet, you don't have to participate in the Lion Brand's Hat Not Hate. You don't have to do that. You can just use the hats for whatever. But it will be 7 new hats, and lots of people ask me all the time. I'll get emails and messages, and very nice ones. And people will ask me, and they'll say, they'll tell me how much I helped them, learn to crochet and help them in troubling events in their life, or some way or another, I have helped them. And it's really touching to read those. And they always want to know what they can do to give back to me. Well, I always say I never want anything from anybody, and I don't want anything from anybody. The only thing I've ever asked was to just watch my videos. That's all I want. But if anybody sincerely wanted to do something, I would ask that you make one hat in the color blue and send it to Lion Brand for their Hat Not Hate. You definitely can send more, but even if you just made one, that would be something that you could do to help me. It's for a good cause. It's Lion Brand's mission, but I think it's such a great mission that I want to help them. So that's one thing that you could do, that I would be honored if you did that. If you could just make even one and send it to them to help them reach their goal of 100,000 hats. Now, I'm not affiliated with Lion Brand. I seen they were doing that, and I took it upon myself to just try to help them reach their goal because, I don't like bullying. So I'm going to show you, people's going to want to know the yarns that I'm going to be using all week long. Now remember, you do not have to use the yarns that I'm using, and if you do not want to participate in the Hat Not Hate program, that's fine. I understand, that's cool. You can make the hats in any color that you want and use them for yourself. But if you do want to participate in Lion Brand's Hat Not Hate program, the hats need to be at least 75% blue. You can use any brand of yarn you want. any fiber content, even wool, they don't care, as long as it's 75% blue. And you send it to them, and they have a deadline of August 1st to get them there. But like I said, I'll put that link below in the description box. But so starting the 11th through the 17th, you'll see one hat every day from me, a new design, a tutorial. I'll post it. I don't know what time. It'll probably be in the evening time every day. I'll post it, and you can follow along and make it for Lion Brand if you choose to send it to them for their campaign, or you can make it for yourself in whatever color you choose. It's fine. It's just HatODay, Bagoday's HatODay marathon that I'm going to run all week. But I'm going to show you what yarns I'm going to use in case anybody is interested and they want to do what I do. I'll show you what I'm going to use. All of them will be made with a J 6mm hook, okay? And all of them will be made with a 4-weight yarn. So any 4-weight yarn will work. You do not have to use the yarns that I use, okay? But I'll just show you what I'm using. One of them I'm going to be using Plymouth Yarn Toy Box Collection Confetti. So remember, if you are going to be sending them to Lion Brand, they need to be at least 75% blue. Any color of blue, any fiber content, it does not matter, as long as it's 75% blue. But this is a 4-weight. That's one I'm going to use. Another one, Carolyn Simply Soft Speckled 4-weight yarn. Another one I'm going to use is, this is Hirschner's Varsity yarn. It's just a 4-weight acrylic yarn. Another one I'll be using is a Red Heart Dreamy. This is the color Aqua. It may not appear blue to you, but it is blue. It's a 4-weight yarn also. Another one, I'm going to be using 2 different colors of yarn in the same hat, and it's going to be a Red Heart Super Saver. So I have in the color Turquoise, and also in the color Royal. So this will be one hat that I'm using these 2 colors together. You don't have to do that. You can make it solid color if you want, whatever you choose. And then I'm going to be using Lion Brand's Date Nights. If you watch my videos, you knew I was going to be using this one. This is a dark blue. It's a 4-weight yarn. Lots of sparkle in that one. And then the last one I'm going to be using is Lion Brand Low Tide, also a 4-weight yarn. All of mine are blue. Now remember, you don't have to use any of these yarns. If you do not wish to participate in the Hat Not Hate program, that is fine. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. You can use any color of yarn that you choose. But like I said, if you want to participate, you don't have to use any of these yarns. It would just need to be 75% blue, and my designs are going to require a 4-weight yarn and a 6mm hook. Now remember, this is going to be May already. It's May 11th through the 17th. In the evening time, you look for a new hat design by me. And then when I get done with those 7, I have more stockpiled up. Like I said, my mission was to send them 30, which I will do before August 1st. So that's what I want to tell you guys about. If you guys are wanting to follow along with me for my HatODay, my Bagoday marathon, it's going to be starting soon. Okay, I would appreciate it if you guys did follow along, even if you don't want to send to Lion Brand. It would be nice, to help him out. But I completely understand if you can't. You can still just participate and make some hats and give him as Christmas gifts or whatever you'd like to do. But remember, look in the link, a description box, and it'll take you to the Hat Not Hate, and you'll learn more about it there. Where you need to send it and stuff like that. Okay. And again, happy Mother's Day to everybody, and I will see you on the first day of the marathon for the first hat. I hope everybody joins along. Thanks everybody. Bye bye.